In this example, we're going to view multiple assessments. So again, the first thing to do is select the class or class group that we'd like to view results for. So in this example, rather than just choosing a single class, I'm going to select multiple classes. So I'll click on the Select Classes button here. I'll look at the current school year, and let's look at these two classes right here. So select them here, click on View Classes as Group, and now I've selected those two classes as my cohort. Ignore the results that come up here. We're going to just go right to select our own tests rather than the ones that Linkit is providing for us in that box. So click on Select Tests. This is where we see all of the assessments that are linked to the students that we selected. So we're going to narrow this down. I only want to see common assessments, and I only want to see language arts assessments. So already that list has gotten much smaller, and I can sort here by the name or by the type. We'll just keep this sorted by the name. I don't want this year's. I'm going to look at two from last year because I have more data to compare. So let's look at this one right here. Let's look at OEQ1 and OEQ2. So I have two assessments selected, and I'm going to first go to the summary results. I could go to student results. That'll open up the window where all the students are, but we'll start here with the summary results. So again, this view here is a quick snapshot of the entire class, how they did on each individual assessment. The shortcuts here will take me to the individual assessment. So that will show me the results for OEQ1. That will show me the results for OEQ2. To see them both on the same sheet, I click on student results over here. Now I see all the students and their scores on both of these assessments. I notice that OEQ1 is actually after OEQ2. If I want to rearrange the order, I can just click on the header and I can drag it over. So now I sorted that with OEQ1 first and OEQ2 second. So the same interface that you used for the other example, I can sort by whatever columns I'd like to sort by. I can filter using the achievement level drop down here. I can use filters or columns here. One new feature in the multiple assessment view is if you go back to select columns, you can click on this button to show a growth column. Click OK. And now I can see the difference between those two scores. And then I can sort by this. So let's just sort by descending order. So I can see right off the bat here, these two students right here, they both went up 20 points from assessment 1 to assessment 2. And if I scroll down the bottom of the list, I can also see these are the 4 students down here that actually went down in points. So that's how you can view multiple assessments. I have the same options here to hide or show rows, and of course I can print. And that's it.